Understanding Oak Wood Furniture, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across when shopping for furniture or discussing interior design: oak wood furniture. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning new words, but also about getting a glimpse into the world of materials used in our daily lives. So, let's dive into the details and see why oak wood is so cherished in furniture making. Oak wood furniture refers to any piece of furniture that is made primarily out of the wood from oak trees. Oak is a type of hardwood that is known for its strength, durability, and beautiful grain patterns. This makes it a popular choice for crafting various furniture pieces like tables, chairs, wardrobes, and even flooring. When we say oak wood furniture, we're emphasizing the material's quality and the aesthetic value it adds to our homes. Oak wood stands out due to several key characteristics. Durability and strength. Oak is a very strong wood, making it ideal for furniture that needs to withstand heavy use over many years. Beautiful grain patterns. The natural patterns in oak wood add beauty and uniqueness to each piece of furniture. Variety. There are different types of oak, each with its unique color and texture, giving buyers a range of options. Aging gracefully. Oak furniture tends to look better as it ages, developing a richer color and an appealing patina. Choosing oak wood furniture is a decision that many make for several reasons. Longevity. Its durability means you're investing in furniture that can last for generations. Aesthetics. Oak's natural beauty can enhance any room's appearance. Value. While oak furniture might be more expensive upfront, its longevity and timeless look offer great value over time. Sustainability. Oak is often sourced from managed forests, making it an environmentally friendly choice. We hope this exploration of oak wood furniture has been enlightening. Whether you're furnishing a new home or simply love learning about different materials, knowing about oak wood's durability, beauty, and value can help you make informed decisions. Remember, choosing oak furniture is not just about bringing a piece of nature into your home, it's also an investment in quality and sustainability. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more interesting topics with you.